Hi, my name's Kate Sigfrinius, and I'm a junior software developer at Proofgeist. Today, I want to start walking you through how to configure Microsoft Single Sign-On for your FileMaker solution. Some things that are going to be required to get started. You'll need a Microsoft account in order to access this Azure portal, and you'll also need a FileMaker solution that is hosted, and you will need access to the FileMaker Server Admin Console. Assuming you've got all those things, let's go ahead and get started. So first thing you're going to want to do is navigate to this URL, portal.azure.com. This is where you will manage your users and groups, create your app registration. This is going to be required for all of the management for your single sign-on. So navigate here. Then we'll need to navigate to Microsoft Entra ID. Now it may not show up here for you, but that's okay. You can go up to the search bar, type in Entra, and then go here. We'll then need to create a new app registration. So over here on the left, about halfway down the menu, you should see app registrations. Go ahead and click on that. And then go ahead and click new app registration. We'll give this a name. And we'll be selecting the single tenant option here. This essentially means that only people that you have put in the Azure directory will have access to your FileMaker solution. We'll then select our platform, which will be web. And then we'll need to put in our redirect URL. You may not know what that is, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and grab it. So let's navigate to FileMaker Server Admin Console. Click on our URL, and we're just going to copy the first part of our URL up to here. We'll go back to Microsoft Portal and paste that in. Now all we need to do, and all you'll need to do for your URL is add /OAuth/redirect. And then you're done. Go ahead and hit register. Then you'll see we get some UUIDs here. So let's go ahead and copy those into our admin console. So copy the application ID first. Let's go to the admin console. We'll go to Microsoft. Well, we'll assume you started at the dashboard. So we're going to need to go administration, external authentication, and then Microsoft. And then as you can see, I've configured this one time already. So let's delete those out of there. And if you remember, we just copied the application ID. So let's paste that in there. Navigate back to the Azure portal. We're then going to copy the directory ID and paste that where it says Azure Directory ID. Now Azure key, we need an additional step in the portal in order to get that. We need to create a client secret. So over here on the right where you see client credentials, we're going to click where it says add certificate or secret. We're going to create a new client secret. You can name it anything you'd like. I'm going to name it so I know what it goes to. These client secrets have a lifetime, so you'll then need to pick how long you want this to persist for. The longest you can choose is 2 years. Even if you choose custom, if you put over 2 years, it's not going to let you do it. So there will be some maintenance here. Not a lot. Add on a checklist or on a calendar. In 2 years, you'll have to update your client secret. So let's go ahead and hit add. Now don't navigate off this screen because once you do, you won't be able to see this value again. If you do, it's okay. You can just delete it, create a new one. No harm, no foul. Let's go ahead and copy our value here. Head back to the admin console and paste that in the Azure key. Now let's save our authentication settings. And then lastly, don't forget to turn on database sign-on down below. And there you have it. You've now connected your Microsoft Azure to your FileMaker Server Admin Console. In the next video, we will go over adding groups and users and activating a user account. Look forward to seeing you there. Have a great day.